Airdrop to go and claim, as well as important updates, and we got a very time sensitive subject, and we start here. You only have 2 hours to mint the base X Farcon and X Zora NFT over here. Not many people have minted. Make sure to go and mint it now. I did mint my own, as you see over here. I have one, and it costs 0.0007 ETH, which is $2 at time of recording. When this video goes live, make sure to go and earn it right now. Mint it because it's gonna be important with these two airdrop. We already did the Farcon one and the base one, so this one is the final one from the official mint base NFT platform over here. Next up, it's a very interesting ticket. This one is another $2 NFT, and it is for the open ticketing, which is a proper website, functioning website on the ticker sale wars. And it could be something interesting to go and keep an eye out. They are gonna be on CoinGecko, so the token is gonna be approved, and potentially holding this first NFT of them, which is gonna cost as well 0.0007. It is important for the airdrop allocation, in my opinion, to go and get it, as well as for future drops from this open protocol over here. So two very important updates and two very important NFT, in my opinion, to go and collect. Next up, we got as well a snapshot has been taken from today, the game. So if you are in it, congratulations. And what is this one? Well, today is a possibility to create your dream island and nurture a relationship with AI powered residents. And, you know, it is led by Nintendo, Sega, Epic Games, and Unity, which seems very, very cool. And I never heard of it, but they did take the first snapshot taken. In case you are part of it as well, congratulations. The airdrop is gonna come really soon, and it is something that I do wanna go and explore. As we see over here, very much talking to the community, which is nice to see, and I do believe this project is gonna do really well. If you wanna learn more about it, I will leave it all linked down below so that you can go and check it out for yourself, what it is, what the website is, what the possibility is, and the NFTs and things that you can check out for it. Next up, I've got an update as well on the Redstone that is partnership with Berachain, as we see over here. So Berachain keeps on delivering, keeps on bringing goodies, and we've seen it in a video how to go and do more interactions with the Berachain airdrop. Now Berachain keeps on delivering with the Redstone collaboration that builders can leverage Redstone Oracle's price feeds for LSTs, LRTs, and many other assets to power their DAAPPS Rogers.Anon, which means great collaboration looking ahead. I will leave you the link down below as well if you want to learn more about it. If you don't know what Redstone Oracles is the modular oracles for DeFi. They're going to have an NFT drop soon, as well as an airdrop, which it is looking very, very promising, and definitely Berachain partnering with them, it's definitely a plus, in my opinion, regarding it. Talking about the main juice of this video, which we are all here for, EKUBO decided to go and release the airdrop. So the link is down below for you to go and earn it. And this is the interface now. It is on Starknet, and it is for people that interacted with it over on Starknet with the Arrogant wallet or the Bravos wallet. I personally am not in it. I never used this platform. Yet there are a few things that are different and a few things that are weird. And what are these? Well, airdrop is 33%, which is nice to see. 33% of the whole airdrop goes to the community. We got 33% going to the DAO and 33% going to the team, meaning that potentially you need to go and do this as soon as possible, because they could be dumping it on the team real fast. Like, I don't know what's gonna happen, but just looks weird that instead of 5% to the team, they go and have 33% to the team. And it doesn't say over here, we can go and see that the total supply will be kept by EKUBO Inc., the corporation that developed the first ever version of EKUBO. There is no vesting schedule for this token. This token has an incentive to continue the development of the EKUBO protocol itself. So they got their token right now. You can go and buy it and sell it as well over here. If you want to go and sell it, you can buy Ethereum or anything that you want. You have the EKUBO USDC price over here, which you can go and sell it. And once you claim the airdrop, you can do everything through here. You got a 5% taxation, which I don't know, okay, whatever they want to do, but it does seem a little bit weird. But it's nice to see that some airdrop, even though they go and give 33% to the team itself, they give 33% to the community. So let me know your token allocation down below of this airdrop, how much you got. But airdrops are cooking right now. Like, we got the Zora airdrop, which is gonna be huge in collaboration with Base as well, which in my opinion, these to collaboration are going to be huge, and Zora airdrop is really going to be a ticking bomb and one of the biggest airdrop in 2024. We also have this nice looking possibility of protocol airdrop, whatever it's going to be, which is nice. And EKUBO, it's nice to see that they are delivering today as well. For this one, we got many updates as well in the next videos that I want to take on you about. But if you made it until the end of the video, congratulations, I do have an update for you. I did release a new airdrop, a new NFT on Zora, which they're gonna act as my NFTs to go and be giving it to you, or even better, to go and give you the grass airdrop. Once it comes out, I will give my grass airdrop. As you see here, I am collecting points, and it's all basically a referral system point. So to say thank you, I will give you part of my allocation, or my grass allocation, to the Zora NFT holders. You will find the link down below, and you just need to mint my face. There is an NFT, there's a few NFTs with my face on. Mint 1, mint 2, mint 3, mint however you want, and those things will give you the ticket entry to my airdrop, so that I know who minted, I got your wallet, and I can send you the funds directly, USDC value to it, or whatever you want. But with that said, guys, thank you very much for watching. Let me know your comments down below. Let me know your thoughts on this airdrop. And with that said, I will see you all in the next video. Ciao, guys.